Hello learners, welcome back to this channel. My name is Teacher Evelyn, and in this video we are talking about cleaning personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment are items worn to protect the body from dirt, germs, injuries, and harmful substances during daily activities such as cleaning, gardening, or construction work at home. In short, we call them PPE. So first, let's look at the type of PPEs that we use at home. We have gloves. Gloves protect the hands from dirt, chemicals, and germs. They're used when cleaning, washing, or handling waste. Dust mask, on the other hand, covers the nose and mouth. They prevent inhalation of dust, smoke, and germs. Let's talk about gumboots. Gumboots protect our feet from water, mud, sharp objects, and chemicals. They're used during cleaning, farming, or in rainy seasons. Other PPEs include headgears and helmets. Headgears are things like caps and scarves which protect our hair from dust and dirt. They are also used when sweeping or cooking to protect the hair from falling into the food. Helmets, on the other hand, are harder and protect the head from injury. Canvas shoes. Canvas shoes protect the feet during light work. They are comfortable for indoor and outdoor tasks. Their soles, just like the ones of gumboots, have grip that protect us from sliding and falling. Now let's move to the materials we use to clean PPE at home. At home, we will need soap or detergent, disinfectants, clean water, brush, sponge, a basin, flannel, among other things when you want to clean our PPE. Apart from these items which can be bought specifically for cleaning, there are some locally available materials or improvised ones which we can also use. These include things like ash, which removes dirt and grease, sand, which is used for scrubbing tough dirt, lemon juice acts as a natural disinfectant, maize cobs are used to scrub off dirt and mud, and you can also improvise old clothes and rugs. Now let's move to cleaning gumboots. The tools and materials we will need include water, soap or detergent, a scrubbing brush, a basin, and a clean cloth. Here are the steps that we follow. First, remove mud using a stick or a brush. Rinse the gumboot with water. Apply soap and scrub thoroughly, then rinse again with clean water. You can choose to wipe with a cloth dry in a well-ventilated place, avoiding direct sunlight. Here are some safety measures we should take during cleaning. First, wear gloves to protect your hands. Avoid using very sharp objects that may damage the boots, and wash hands after with clean water. Now let's move on to cleaning canvas shoes. The tools and materials that we will need include water, mild detergent, soft brush or old toothbrush, a basin, and a cloth. Here are the steps. First, remove the laces and shake off loose dirt. Then soak your shoes in soapy water. Scrub gently using a soft brush and rinse with clean water. You can stuff the paper to maintain the shape while drying. Dry in a shade. Again, avoid direct sunlight to prevent your canvas shoes from fading. Here are some safety measures to consider when cleaning your canvas shoes. Avoid harsh chemicals that may harm you and the shoes. Be careful not to hurt yourself with sharp tools like stick again when removing mud. Now let's go over some importance of cleaning PPE. First, it maintains hygiene, preventing infection and diseases. It also increases durability of the PPE because we all know anything that is taken care of lasts longer. Lastly, it keeps the PPE effective and safe to use because you cannot wear something that is dirty to help you and safeguard you against germs. So let's look at the lesson's conclusion. What have we learnt? We have learnt that the proper use and cleaning of PPE at home helps protect our body and promotes good hygiene. Using locally available materials makes cleaning affordable and easy. Awesome! Let's revise with some questions to see how much you understood. Question number 1. Which PPE protects the hands during cleaning? Is it A. Helmet, B. Gloves, or C. Gumboots? You have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is gloves. Helmets protect the head and gumboots protect our feet. Question 2. Which of the following is a locally available cleaning material? Is it A. Ash, B. Detergent, or C. Disinfectant? And the correct answer is ash. Most detergents and disinfectants are bought from the store. 3. Should PPE be dried in shade? A. To prevent damage, B. To make it wet, or C. To make it heavy? The correct answer is A. To prevent damage. Question 4. Which tool is used to scrub gumboots? Is it A. Brush, B. Spoon, or C. A knife? Is A. brush. Which PPE protects the head from injury? Is it A. Gloves, B. Helmet, or C. Canvas shoes? And the correct answer is helmet. And finally, question 6. What is the first step when cleaning PPE? Is it A. Drying, B. Scrubbing, or C. Removing loose dirt? And the correct answer is C. Removing loose dirt. You have made it to the end of this lesson. You're a good student, and since I'm a good teacher, I have more videos that will help you learn grade 4 agriculture. These are all grade 4 strands from first term, second term, and third term. I have arranged them in this playlist to make it easy for you to find and follow up. So until next time, let's see each other in the next video. Bye!